Hey, thank you for stopping by. I am Shatoya Lynn, and today I will be providing you guys with full-time and part-time data entry positions. Also, a few side hustle jobs that you could do. The holidays is coming up, so who wouldn't want to make some extra cash? Stay tuned, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. Let's get into this video. Let's go. Alright guys, so let's get started. So we have a company by the name of AOJ. Now AOJ is looking for a entry-level data entry clerk, work from home. You have to go on the website to apply. The website is AOJ.jobs.com. Basically, and they're saying you can start today. We are seeking individuals to be connected with companies who are hiring employees directly to working from their homes. You will find part-time and full-time opportunities in a variety of career fields. And it says including but not limited to data entry, customer support, billing, typing, and administrative. And all you need to have for this position is a computer with internet access, a quiet working space, and be able to work independently and get the job done. That's all they're asking for, guys. And again, you would go and apply www.aojonlinejobs.com, and it says come on over and start today. All right, guys, and I'm going to give you guys a glance of how it looks. All right, guys, so there is the website there. Again, the website is www.aojonlinejobs.com and start today. Basically, they're saying if you are a type of person who is self-motivated and comfortable working on your own at home, enjoy such work as email, customer service, data entry, and review products, then you are the person they are looking for. So that's data entry clerks, and it says come on over and apply and start today, guys. So this seems like a really good opportunity, full-time and part-time position. It doesn't state the pay on here, but I would say just give it a go, guys. All right, next one. The next one is a company called Upwork. The company is looking for a data entry person, and they're looking for a freelancer. They are looking for an entry-level freelancer. They want the project done less than 1 month, and it says less than 30 hours a week. And the skills of expertise, they would like bookkeeping jobs, data entry, and experience in QuickBooks. Now, this is a contractor. They stating that they need, it says, I need the full year of 2018 entered into QuickBooks from bank statements. So that is the project that they are looking to hire someone for, and I will show you the details here on Upwork. All right, so there you go. It was posted 7 hours ago. So they want someone to complete the assignment less than 30 hours a week, less than a month, and it's entry level. So that's actually a really good thing. Get your feet wet and builds up your resume on freelancing. So there you go. All right, guys, let's get to some side hustles. Let's get to what we really all came here for. Some extra cash. All right, guys, so the first side hustle that I recommend is Amazon Flex. Amazon Flex, everyone has been talking about Amazon Flex. I do know a few people that does Amazon Flex, and you get to make your own hours. You have to have your own vehicle. And yeah, like I said, it's pretty flexible. So here's the website, and let's get started. I'm gonna show you guys the website. So basically, it's delivery opportunities. They're basically saying are available in a variety of locations for a limited time only, guys. So you have to apply ASAP. This page, it says it's saying that it updates frequently. So check here on the Amazon Flex app for the most updated list. So right now, guys, it seems like they are only hiring a few states right now. And I can see here it says Philadelphia, Seattle, Yonkers, Bronx, White Plains, or it says join the interest list. So you can just still, let's see. Yep. You just hit the join the interest list, and then it tells you to go to next. So let me show you guys. Okay, there's the Amazon Flex, and you see the states. So basically what I did was I hit the join the interest list because my state is not even on there. And then I guess, you gotta answer these questions. Are you at least 21 years old? And do you have a valid driver's license? Let's click yes. Do you have okay, so they want to know what type of vehicle do you have. Let's just say yes. What kind of phone will you use to deliver? Okay, we got a Droid. Check your Android version and RAM. Okay. It says, will you make deliveries with the device you're using now? No. And it says download to another device. And it says to install the Amazon Flex app on another device. So basically you're going to be using a device to, when you drop off the packages, I guess, you have to take a picture and check in to let them know that you delivered the package. So guys, this is pretty easy, and this one everyone can do. It's entry level, and you want to earn some extra cash. And like I said, the holidays is coming up, so this is a really good option, guys. So head on over and apply and let me know. All right, so guys, another one I'm going to say Amazon Mechanical Turk is actually a good one. Now this one you have to put in some time to get good income out of it. I actually tried this Amazon Mechanical Turk. It's actually kind of fun, actually, and you get to earn money. You have like different tasks on your dashboard. You have like different tasks, and you can sign up for whatever task you want to do and get paid for it. Now, like I said, you do have to like work your way up to the good money. When I first started, I can't say how much I was getting paid, but when I first started, it was cents for each task that I did, and it was, the more you keep doing it, you can get paid really good money the more you do it. So it's Amazon Mechanical Turk website. You sign up, you create an account, and you sign up, and you have to do some kind of like verification steps. But once you're done with that, Amazon will set you up, and you'll set up your, how you want to get paid. And actually, like I said, you have to put in some time, but once you keep doing it, they'll offer you more money. So that's actually a really good way to make some extra cash. And like I said, the holidays is coming. That will be actually a really, really, really good job for anyone who's home that has the time to put into. Basically, you will do like some data entry work, Sometimes you'll take some surveys, surveys about shopping, food, healthcare, insurance, anything. Basically, you get paid to do not essays, sorry. You get paid to do, take like little tests and everything like that. So, and putting data entry, you're helping someone else with their work. So that's actually a really good thing. So I'm going to show you guys the website right here that you have to go to sign up. So this is the website right here. Basically, you go to Amazon and then you put in Mechanical Turk and you sign in and your password, but you see where it says create your Amazon account? That's where you would go to create your account, and it'll walk you through the steps that you need, that's required for you to get paid for the tasks that you do on Amazon. So this is for anybody entry level. Just you need a computer. You can even do it on your phone. It's very easy, and like I said, it's pretty fun to get it done. So yeah, guys, so enjoy this one. This one is really good. Alright guys, so the last one would be OneSpace. OneSpace is a great website where you can make money, and they have a lot of positions available for everyone and anywhere. So basically, these are the current opportunities that they have right now. It says we're seeking fearless trailblazers, creative problem solvers, and bold innovators who are inspired to help CPG brands achieve e-commerce success. So that's that. They're looking for content development specialists, data solutions specialists. They are looking for software engineers. They are looking for front-end software engineers, senior software engineers, and they have a few more positions available. So guys, if you feel like you may meet their requirements, head on over to OneSpace, and they have a lot of positions available. And actually, this is a new lead as well that came to my email for some new jobs that they have available. I have a co-host here, guys. He's not feeling well tonight, so my little co-host, guys. So head on over to OneSpace, and I will show you guys the website. Alright guys, so this is the OneSpace website. Basically, you'll go to onespace.com, and then you would put in careers, and then it says find your space, because they have a whole bunch of positions listed. You just find your state, or if it's in the United States, and then you just apply, and it says right there, up there, get started. So good luck, guys, and if you meet the requirements, again, head on over to OneSpace. Alright guys, thank you so much for coming to my channel, watching all of these leads that I have for you guys. Hopefully you head on over to apply for these leads. Let me know what the outcome is. Thank you guys for stopping by, and have a great day. Goodbye.